What's up crafters, it's Ashley with AMCX Studio and we are back with another Canva tutorial. Now if you don't already know about Canva, let me clue you in on something that's going to change your life. So Canva is basically a massive template website that lets you create social media things, marketing images, the list goes on and on. There are so many amazing features even on the free edition of Canva. So what I'm going to show you today is how to create mock-ups inside of Canva to promote your business. Now we all know that materials cost something, but so does your time. I don't want you guys to spend a lot of time and invest in creating different products if they're just simply not going to do well. And in order to test this theory, what you can do are create mock-ups of your products. It's a blank product and you can put your own designs over top of it. So in order to set that kind of thing up inside of Canva, what we're going to do is we're going to go to canva.com, and in the top right corner we're going to do create a design. So once you click on create a design, you can search their custom suggested things. You can find Facebook posts, but I'm going to assume that you guys are selling your designs on Etsy, so we are going to go ahead and do a custom size. And Etsy's recommendations is that your smallest site is no smaller than 2000 pixels. So for width we have 2500 and for height we have 2000. So clicking create a design, it is going to bring up a blank canvas. Now this is what it's going to look like once we start the project. You can go to photos. Once you type in mockup into the search bar, there'll be a bunch of blank products. Now anything that has this crown on it is going to be for pro members only. You do have to pay for those, but all of these other ones are free. So let's find something to use so that we can show what a design would look like on a bag. We're gonna stretch it out to kind of fill the space a little bit, and now we just have the product itself as our focal point. We're gonna go to our uploads, and here we're gonna go ahead and pick an SVG design. You can go through here and go to upload media and then select it from there, but Canva also supports just kind of dragging and dropping the product. So I'm going to grab an SVG file and I'm going to drag it directly in here. So now that it's uploaded, you can use the handles to resize, readjust, and kind of move it around. If you want to change the color of this, you can select the SVG itself, go up to the top left-ish part of the canvas, select the color block, and we can pick literally any color at all that you want. You can even use this rainbow thing to add a new color if you have a particular color in mind. Canva is literally an amazing tool, and I'm telling you, if you are not using it for your small business or your craft business, you guys are missing out. So once everything is uploaded, we'll go to the top right corner and we'll hit share. You go to file type, you select PNG or JPEG or PDF, whatever it is that you want to do, download the file, save it onto your computer, and upload it wherever. Guys, what I'm telling you, this has changed the game. It has changed the game. Now, if you're not finding what you're needing inside of the photos on Canva, you can also go to other websites like designbundles.net. As you can see here, there are so many mock-ups available on designbundles.net, and all of these are free. You just go to download now, upload the JPEG or the PNG, whatever it is that that designer provided, into Canvas, and you guys are good. Now if you found this video helpful and you want to help out a fellow crafting friend, make sure you share this video to them and let them know about Canva and its free tool and how they have to have it for their crafting business. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. I would love to answer them. And if you really love this video, I know that you're going to love this next Canva one.